Baby.
So, what is about it?
If I laugh at the dinner, I laugh.
What is about it twins?
Every twin.
You don't sleep on something?
Okay. I hope you put back.
Give a seat.
You promise I will.
Tell me, sorry, yeah, baby. Oh, what are you
If I
going to
laugh at belly.
do? That's take like serious.
What you say?
Yeah, with her. No, you have to laugh out of your view. You can't do that now. So I say, wonder if we can get a crib. What can only two pitty them? You know, boy come like never gonna make them make it.
They have some big crib.
Where paper?
I said, I don't believe in it.
Really matter. I want them, man. Don't tell him to drop them.
I want.
It's a prank.
I know say I want.
Come here, look at me and say, I want some one.
This no.
Why you say
No,
I
yes
want
it
mama?
is.
I want
This
mama.
now. Yes it is. This is what we did before the sakwa. If you didn't then look on the screen itself, you would have saw the card, the umbilical card.
Come John to him.
Okay.
You never tell me that twin in your family. You know, Jesus Christ, or triplet, you know what dead and they sitting there. I'm going to tell him that you go come here. You're not going to believe me when we tell him things. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
The vlog, you don't know your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo, I want to them. Guys, today's video, I'll be at the farm. In there. Cleaning the pig pen. I'll kill some chicken too. And stuff like that. I'll probably show you an update on my Blvd. So I'm actually 16 weeks now. And I must say my belly is protruding. Sometimes I feel like my belly tear out to like a fine space. I get tired very, very easily. And stuff like that. I have bad feelings when I eat that one. The other day I got an offer for a job. Very good opportunity, 9 to 5, but take it. It's a good opportunity. So I have that to deal with pregnancy. So it's kind of, you know, ticklish because I'm now work for a year now, like a 9 to 5. It's kind of like getting seasoned into that mode again. Very good position, very good opportunity, very good chance for me to grow. So why not? If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button and definitely turn on your post notification bell. Share with a friend. I think I'm gonna give you guys some tips. I'm gonna do a video giving you guys some tips on how to apply for a job or go on a job interview when you're pregnant. A very, very good topic. So yeah. You wanna see Bell? Kinda funny. Officially, my clothes don't fit anymore. I have to get new clothes. and stuff like that. Especially for work. My pants, my skirts, even my blouse, because my breast is very, very huge. They don't really fit. So I have to get them stuff there and things. So, go out to pick pen them and then move on to chicken them. Pigs are so big. No man, no over here, no. Oh, my God, I'm going to hard working, okay? Hard working man. Put your hands on hard working. Baby boy. So, the truth is, with a new job, I almost didn't go because I'm pregnant and I didn't want to put the baby at risk any at all. And then my partner was like, Melica, are you gonna go? Like, don't go. But you know, I've always known myself working, you know, having that sense of independence. So I wanted to go. So I did go. I was honest, truthful, and baking. So yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with it because sometimes throughout the day I normally nap. I have to try to go to my bed early at night, and sometimes that not happen and stuff. It's same accounting. It's an accounting job. Really, really good. Most of the things I have experience in already, and yeah. I always tell you guys, my last job, I was very grateful for it because it gave me an opportunity to grow in so many areas. Accounting, doing accounting stuff, income audit, payables, receivables, purchasing, payroll, you know, creating journal entries and stuff like that. Those are the stuff that I have experience in. I'm really a marketer, but that opportunity was provided to me years ago and I capitalized on it. Accounting is not something that I love, but I have a lot of experience in it. Very grateful, and it made me very marketable. You know, you can get paid good in that field and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm grateful for that. So in the next about 4 or 5 months though, I am going to be off on maternity leave. And things. My workplace is they were very excited when I told them I was pregnant and stuff like that. So that's good. If you're going to work for somebody and you explain to them that you're pregnant and then they give you a bad reaction, probably that's not a company you want to work with because they are not a family oriented company. So I'm very grateful and thankful that I got this opportunity and, you know, taking advantage of it. And things. My face is getting so chubby. Now pray to God to the nose and a spread it. Please. I'm going to see the next one when we're done with them. Right now, my dog will just finish with the pig them. Actually, but after they finish with the pig them, I walk through the bush, pineapple and something to the chicken coop. Daddy Rose over there killed some chicken, so I'm gonna check him out, see what I'm gonna deal with. Yeah, so that I deal with now. I'm really tired on the farm because I deal with the chicken them. Actually kill some. It's what time now? It's about 12:54. It is Saturday, April maybe 4th or no 3rd. No, 2nd. No 3rd. Saturday, April 3rd. So today is half day where the country closes at 12 o'clock. But for farmers, we don't have a curfew. That's why you should become a farmer. You get little benefits like those because we have to come to the farm, take care of the animals, and do what we need to do. So we get that privilege. But this is where I end the vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely share with a friend, and until next time, I'm your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo, what of them, Mama Skylife.